Either it's a pandemic like COVID-19 or the other day in our lives, we sometimes realize that we need something online to make money. Rather than going to that same job, we need to earn some extra cash to make a trip to another country and do whatever we want with that money and get that life going in a wonderful way. Today we are counting down top 9 reputable websites to help you earn extra cash online. It doesn't take much time to run across someone's pitching a get rich quick scheme online. We have all seen them. People who promise to show you how to make thousands at home in your spare time. Guess what? Like any get rich quick scheme, it's only going to make money for the person running this scheme. That doesn't mean there aren't reputable ways to earn a little bit of money online during your spare time. There are many easy and legal ways to earn a few bucks on the internet. Here are 9 to try. Top on the list, the number 1 is the mechanical truck. The mechanical truck is run by Amazon. Anyone can sign up and complete simple tasks like choosing which of 2 pictures depicts a bridge to earn a few cents per task. With some practice, you can earn a few dollars an hour while just sitting on your couch watching television. And with enough focus, you can earn an amount roughly equal to minimum wage. Number 2 is always YouTube. So YouTube actually allows anyone to post non-explicit videos on pretty much any topic they desire. Recording a video can be as simple as turning on the camera on your computer and hitting the record button. If you enable advertisers on your video, you can earn at a rate of from 0.10 cents to $1 to $3 per 1,000 views. The more videos you have, the more views you are going to get. So this option can really pays off if you record a lot of videos and build a viewership. The YouTube takes a lot of hard work comparatively. Initially you make a lot of less money, but as you grow up, as you grow older, like your channel becomes like 10 years old or like 5 years old, or that much amount of time it takes if you want to grow much higher, and that way you're going to get paid higher than your usual job. So YouTube is a great platform to start. You can start doing offline work. You starting with every day upload, like every week uploading 1 video and getting moving on, uploading 2 videos a week, 3 videos a week, and that's just a startup. And as you grow up your business, you will realize that you will have to finally move to YouTube and leave the minimum wage job that you are doing offline. Number 3 is the Elens. So Elens allows people in almost any profession and find freelance work at home in their spare time. While the project on Elens aren't going to earn you a ton of money, they do provide a great way to build an independent portfolio to show off your skills while also building a network of clients. So if you have more clients, you can earn a lot of money. It works similar way to Fiverr, Freelancer, and Upwork, but this is also a new era of earning online. Coming to number 4, it's the Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. So what I mean by the Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, which actually allows anyone who has written a book on their own to upload it on Amazon to be sold on Amazon Kindle devices. Let's say you write a novel and want to sell it. If you upload it here and then promote it online through social media or blogs, you can sell copies of your book and earn as much as 70% return on each sale. Number 5, we're coming to the Fotolia. So Fotolia is for those guys who are picture or photographer lover. So Fotolia allows you to sell photos you have taken for stock photography usage. For example, if a publisher is looking for a picture of a beach and you upload such a picture, the publisher can use Fotolia to purchase the rights to use that picture in its publication, and you receive a cut of that money. For photography hobbyists, this is a great way to earn a few dollars for some of your best photos. Coming to number 6, the Swag Bucks. The Swag Bucks is perhaps the most popular and most legitimate of the online survey sites. So Swag Bucks pays you a small amount for participating in a consumer survey, which companies then use to figure out what kind of products to make and sell. You can participate in several surveys a day, and Swag Bucks earnings can be redeemed for gift cards from Amazon, Target, iTunes, and there are a lot of platforms you can use it for. Coming to number 7, the Fiverr. Fiverr is known to everyone. Fiverr is actually a website where you can make $5 doing almost anything. On the site, people upload jobs that they are willing to do for $5, like writing Facebook posts for companies. Many of the jobs require creative skills such as graphic designing or audio editing, but tasks are things you can easily do on the couch in your spare time. For example, if you don't know how to make a website, so simply learn how to make a website using the WordPress and using the Elementor, learning PHP. If you learn anything and then you come to this Fiverr or Elens or any platform, Upwork or Freelancer, and provide that your skills, put their skills on their website and say, hey, listen, I can do this work. And if you can do that work and you build up a strong client-based portfolio, you can make a lot of money, and maybe you have to switch over to Fiverr and rather than doing your own 9-to-5 job. Coming to number 8, Skillshare. So Skillshare is kind of advertising itself lately a lot on YouTube. A lot of YouTubers are kind of sharing the Skillshare. Skillshare is definitely a Udemy for a lot of people, but Skillshare is perfect. The perfect people are on the Skillshare and they're sharing their products. So Skillshare is actually a website where you can teach online classes and get paid for it. You record series of video on a topic that you know about, like popular subjects include craft, film, fashion, and cooking. And then if you're uploading a video on how to shoot a YouTube video, so you can also get earned by that, or how to start a YouTube channel from scratch, or how to trade, anything you want to do, and then participate on the Skillshare forums related to your class. In exchange, you receive a cut of that money from the people who take your classes. No teaching degree is necessary to get started, and the site says teachers can earn an average of $3,500 a year, which is your side income, which means you're just putting a good amount of work, making some kind of videos that you teach about something in a professional way, and people are liking it and they're listening to you. You can make a decent amount of money on your side box. Coming to number 9, the final button, it's Virtual. So Virtual is perhaps the most time-consuming but most rewarding option like YouTube. With Virtual, you sign up to be a virtual assistant you sign up to be a virtual assistant to a busy person. The person will send you things to do, such as write emails, research a topic, update their Facebook post, update their Twitter post, summarize the findings, or personal tasks such as order flowers, manage a personal calendar, or write the handwritten notes. The starting base pay is $11 an hour, and virtual assistants work weekdays full-time. All of these websites offer great opportunities for anyone to earn some extra money online. It all depends on what you want to bring on the table in terms of time, money, and effort. If you think you have learned something from this video, please make sure to click on the Amazon link in the description below and buy anything from the Amazon anytime if you want. If not today, not after this video, if you want to buy anytime in the near future, come to a video, click on the link, buy anything, and if you buy anything, we get a small commission from Amazon, which is not deducted from you, which is given to us by the Amazon because we have brought them the customer. If you think we deserve that, please do that and hit up the subscribe button, like us, comment us, and we'll see you in another video. Keep visiting Tig's Schooling.